Our final journal type is the bills of material journal type. This journal type is different from the other journal types because it is meant to consume a piece or pieces of inventory in order to create another piece of inventory. Very similar to how a production order or a manufacturing process would happen within an operation. The bill of materials journal can do that inventory transaction without having to go through the setup of production and the whole process for production. Bills of material journal, as with the other inventory journals, are for changing inventory on hand quickly and with one journal. So we'll create a new journal here. I'm going to set my site and my warehouse. And I'm going to begin adding my lines. The first item I'm going to add here is this D0005 item, which will be able to be used in a quantity of 1. You can see it is not selected as the BOM line. So this is a unique feature that's included only in this BOM journal, is when we're specifying whether an item is part of a BOM line or essentially kind of thinking of it as the BOM header. So by not specifying this item as the BOM line, that tells me I'm going to add this item into my inventory. When I add another line, you can see that the second line here, the BOM line, is automatically checked, meaning that we are going to consume this item from inventory. And this item requires a size to be consumed. And you can see, so in this journal, when I post this, the expectation is that we will remove one quantity of M0010 and we will add one quantity of D0005. This is a great example. As I've stated, if you are in an operation where you need to quickly change one thing to something else, because maybe you had a promo item that the promo has run its course, you're no longer selling that promo item, and you want to sell that promo item as the regular item. Maybe it's it's something that comes with a free sample attached to it, and you're just going to merge that item that comes with a free sample into the regular item that does not come with a free sample. But you don't want to have to go through your whole manufacturing process in order to do that. A BOM journal is a great way to do that, because within this journal, when we create this item D005, we're creating it with the cost association of this item that's $49.98 being consumed in order to create this D005. So when we look at our average cost in the system, when we look at how things are actually costed out, we have a record of what this item D005 actually cost us at this instance when we created this BOM journal. I will post this BOM journal now. And that's been posted. And when I come and look at my on-hand inventory, you can see now my quantities have changed. So we have subtracted one and built the other.